Hi, everybody. Welcome to a session on international marketing management. In this video, we are going to discuss something about competitive intelligence. Have you heard about the term competition? Of course, you have heard it in your previous classes. And do you know about intelligence? Let us see what is competitive intelligence. Competitive intelligence is the ability to focus attention on important things. As per Robert J. Schiller and Irrational Exuberance, the competitive excellence intelligence means it is the ability to focus attention on most important things. And the ability to focus attention on important things is the defining characteristics of intelligence. And what is competitive intelligence? It is the process of ethically collecting, analyzing, and disseminating accurate, relevant, specific, timely, foresighted, and actionable intelligence regarding the implication of business environment, competitors, and the organization itself. As per the Society of Competitive Intelligence Professionals, competitive intelligence means it is the process of ethically collecting, analyzing, and disseminating accurate, relevant, specific, timely, foresighted, and actionable intelligence regarding the implication of business environment, competitors, and other organization itself. Why intelligence? Intelligence is usually ahead of its time and exploits analytics pertaining to past behavior for provision of much required insight into course of events. It is usually ahead of its time and exploits analytics pertaining to the past behavior for provision of much required insight into course of events. That is known as intelligence. And competitive intelligence as a product. Competitive intelligence is ethical, timely, and useful value added information on customers, competitors, other stakeholders in the competitive environment and within the firm. So, competitive intelligence as a product, we can say that it is ethical, timely, and useful value added information on customers, competitors, and other stakeholders in the competitive environment and within the firm itself. So, competitive intelligence as a process, we can say that it involves establishing intelligence needs, generating information, analyzing and disseminating actionable intelligence to key decision makers for building competitive advantage and boosting the profitability. So, competitive intelligence as a process, we can say that it involves or it is a process of establishing intelligent needs, or it is a process of generating information or analyzing and disseminating the actionable intelligence to key decision makers or building competitive advantage and boosting the profitability of the firm. And as per Sanders, if you are ignorant of both your enemy and yourself, then you are a fool and certain to be defeated in every battle. If you are an ignorant of both your enemy, if you are not considering your enemy and if you are not considering of yourself, then you are a fool and you will be defeated in every battle. So, competition should be faced in a strategic manner by every business organizations. Let us see the function of intelligence. The function of intelligence include collecting informations from both the primary and secondary sources, then upgrade the available information to intelligence by using analytical capability and produce much required insights and prepositions relating to that information and disseminate the report to decision makers for effectual leverage. So the function of intelligence include collecting information from both primary and secondary sources, upgrading the available information to intelligence by using analytical capability and producing required insight and proposition with the help of that information or the upgraded information and disseminate the report to decision makers for effectual leverage. And some of the PC, or we can say 7 P's of competitive intelligence include people, Porism, plan, processes, prod, pathfinder, performance, etc. So these seven are considered as the 7 P's of competitive intelligence. People, Porism, plan, processes, prod, pathfinder, performance. And categories of competitive intelligence include market intelligence, competitor intelligence, partner intelligence, customer prospect intelligence, technical intelligence. So these are the 5 categories of intelligence, competitive intelligence. One is intelligence relating to market, intelligence relating to the competitor of a particular firm, intelligence relating to the partner of a firm, intelligence relating to the customer, and also most importantly nowadays the technical intelligence. So let us see what is market intelligence. This highlights acquisition and analysis of information pertaining to trends, geopolitical issues, regulations in a firm's market. So market intelligence include acquisition and analysis of information pertaining to the firm's market. Competitor intelligence involves monitoring, analyzing the key competitors, budding competitors, new competitors, probable competitors, etc. So, competitor intelligence means having a knowledge or intelligence relating to the competitors by monitoring and analyzing the key competitors of a firm, by newly growing competitors and the new competitors, and also the probable competitors in the future period. So having a knowledge about or intelligence about competitors. And reasons for monitoring competitors include to predict the next action of the competitors, to exploit the weakness of the competitors, to undermine their strength or to understand their strength, to blow up threats against them, and also to undercut their opportunities. So these are some of the reasons for monitoring the competitors. One is predicting their next action, to exploit their weakness and understand their strength, and to blow up the threats against them, and also to uncut their opportunities. And the next one is partner intelligence. Partner intelligence involves keeping tab on every individual and organization that has a form of value network with a value chain of a particular firm. So, having a knowledge about every individual and organization that has formed a value network with a value chain of a particular firm is known as partner intelligence. Next is customer or prospect intelligence. That means having an intelligence relating to the customer and also the continuous identification and analysis of demographic factors, budget cycles, internal influences, key areas of customers, etc. And the next is technical intelligence. It is having an intelligence relating to the technical know-how, make out business alternatives, generate appropriate and well-timed signal to decision makers, etc. And 3 type of intelligence include recurrent intelligence, reference intelligence, strategic intelligence, etc. And counter intelligence